There are many bow products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best bows from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Top Archery, rating 4.3. The riser is designed with rounded edges and a fine finished handle, making it very comfortable to hold. This comfort will allow you to have the best experience shooting multiple arrows or extending amounts of time. Our design is also appealing to the eye, making it unique in its ways. To hold the riser with your left hand and pull the string with your right hand is for a right-handed bow. Holding the riser with the right hand and pulling the string with the left hand is a left-handed bow. Limbs could assembled or disassembled easily by using the Allen key. It is very easy to take down and put together the bow for storage, transport, or backyard competition sports games. When assembled, very small when collapsed, and fits in a backpack or hiking pack easily. Number 4. Tongku Archery Bow, rating 4.4. Material: aluminum magnesium alloy, bow length 51 inches, riser 21 inches, draw weight 30 pounds, 40 pounds, weight 2.6 pounds. The riser will be held in your left hand, the string pulled with the right hand, and determine the arrow with your right eye for perfect aim. The alloy riser is ergonomically designed with rounded edges and a finely finished handle. Indestructible fiberglass limbs are strong and sturdy. The takedown bow archery set is very easy to assemble. Setup is quick and easy, with the included alien wrench. Also makes a good prop to carry around. Number 3. Archery recurve bow, rating 4.5. Powerful takedown recurve bow and arrow. Recurve bow made of ergonomically designed high elastic fiberglass limbs and bamboo laminates. Bowstring made of high quality natural tire line, more delicate and durable, rounded edges, and a finely finished wooden handle, which suit for beginner and professional archer. The bow's speed is great, have an extremely accurate shot and easy draw. The arrow flies off very smoothly and blazingly fast, suitable for almost all hunter archers to practice marksmanship. It is so much fun and very relaxing. You can shoot longer without as much fatigue. Number 2. Samlita Archery Bow, rating 4.5. Ready to Hunt Compound Bow Pro package comes equipped with a 5-pin sight, an arrow rest and a stabilizer, a wrist sling, a peep sight, 12 PCS arrows, a quiver, a release, an arrow puller, a bow stand, and a compound bow case. Large range of adjustable draw length 18 to 31, draw weight 0-70 pounds without needing a bow press. A bow for all ages and skill levels. Limited lifetime warranty on main parts after your registration within 30 days of purchase. CNC machined cams and modules with the 6061 T6 aluminum. Bowstrings and cables are made of BCY D97, imported from BCY USA. Number 1. Borilla Bow, rating 4.6. Perfect for young archers of any size, our youth bow with its light draw weight and integrated finger guard ensures a safe, enjoyable start into the thrilling world of archery. Our kids' bow's ergonomic grip with ambidextrous arrow rest invites young archers of any hand to experience the joy and adventure of their first archery journey. Designed for easy transport, this kid's bow and arrow set is ideal for young archers. Compact and fits in a backpack, perfect for travel to archery events or practice. Perfectly designed for kids' bows, these 1200 spine hybrid arrows expertly combine the robustness of fiberglass with carbon's precision, enhancing any kid's archery set. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.